Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build channel history on YouTube. So to get started, to learn more about channel history, I will go to settings, then channel, then feature eligibility, and here for you to have all the features that YouTube gives to creators, you need to have all of these three enabled. So standard, intermediate, and advanced. So channel history ties into this because it's one of the things required to have the advanced features, and advanced features are things like appealing content ID, claims more daily live streams, more video uploads, daily shorts, and etc. So if you don't have advanced features, you might have your daily upload caps to, let's say, one video a day or something in those lines. Same for the live streams and shorts. So let's see what exactly is channel history. If I hover over to the channel history text, you can see that it takes about 2 months to build the channel history. So I'll just click learn more to see a bit more information about it. So if we scroll down a bit, we can find the channel history tab. So use channel history to get access to the advanced features. So to get advanced features access by using your channel history, you will need to also complete the phone verification. So here's a short phone verification tutorial, but we are really here for the channel history information. So here it says that your channel history data is used to determine whether your content is following the YouTube community guidelines. And here's the important info right here. So your channel history is a record of your channel activity. So your video uploads, live streams, and audience engagement. The last one, the audience engagement, might be really important because it shows YouTube that you are not bottling or using fake news to boost up your channel, which goes against YouTube policies and guidelines. What also goes under the channel history is your personal data related to your Google account. So when how the account was created, how often is used, and the method of connecting to Google services. I think that they're referring to Google Pay, Google Play, those other Google services. So what this really means is that Google wants to make sure that you are a real person and not a botted Google account. So to prove this to YouTube, or in this case Google, I would advise to you to go through your Google account and input as much information about you, the real person behind the channel or the account, as you can, so your date of birth, your phone number, and just in general, try to prove to Google that you are a real person that interacts and uploads the videos on your YouTube channel. So to sum it all up, get access to the advanced features and build your channel history, you need to upload videos that go with the YouTube community guidelines, maybe live streams from time to time. And in this case, because they ask for the audience engagement, I would add a call to action to my videos to get people to subscribe and like the videos, which would furthermore reinforce to YouTube that real people are liking and watching the videos. Also, you should go through your Google and Gmail account and really make sure that everything is up to date. Also, according to the Google and YouTube guidelines, and also that it looks like a real person is regularly using the account and some of it tools and features. So if you lost access to the advanced features, it seems that your YouTube channel maybe triggers something in YouTube's algorithm and flagged your channel as not genuine or maybe botted. So through next 2 months, you would need to go through the process of essentially proving YouTube that you are a real person. And after that period or sooner, if you go with these verification methods, they should bring back your advanced features. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.